Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you all how I simply and easily installed this wig. No bleach was used whatsoever to get this look. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. The wig comes from Wiggins Hair Company. They sent me a 20-inch curly wig. I got all of these goodies along with the wig. I got a silk scarf along with the silk bag to keep the wig in. They also sent me a nude wig cap, which is great for doing installs. But let's talk about this wig. So it's a 20-inch curly 2x6 or 2x5 silk base closure wig. Now, this is all of the parting that you're going to get out of it. So of course you're going to go with the middle part. The material used for the silk base closure is very hard, and it came all folded and bunched up. So I had to do a lot to get it flat. But as you guys can see, no bleach or anything is needed because the silk material is made to look like scalp. So all you simply have to do is just define the part and you're good to go. So as I was actually using my hot comb to define the part a bit, I ran into just a little issue. Well, it's actually a big issue because if I'm going to use heat, shouldn't the material take the heat? The lace or the silk just started to melt and burn as I was using my hot comb. So I let my hot comb cool down a little bit before I continued molding the part, as I would typically do on any other lace closure wig. But being that we're dealing with silk material, you have to be super duper careful not to burn that silk closure. So here I am, I'm finally able to install this wig, and it's going to be super easy, super simple, and super fast. One thing I can say that I truly love about this wig is the hair. This has got to be one of the softest curl patterns I have ever tried. I just love how full this hair is, and it's only 150 density. Cutting the lace is going to be a piece of cake. All I have to do is just swipe across that lace in some swift motions using my razor, and that is pretty much it. The con, and it's a big con, the con with this lace closure, well, the silk base closure, is that it does not lay as flat as I would like it in the very front. So it just looks very unrealistic. I will go back on the website to see if I can find like a 2x6 or a 2x5 lace closure to replace this silk base closure with. So what I ended up doing was, as you guys can see, use makeup to kind of camouflage it just a tad bit. But overall, I felt like I could make this wig work. I will try to tweak it a little bit, but like I said, I may end up just replacing the closure. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. I'll leave all the wig details down below along with some coupon codes to save some money. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!